that could actually happen in real life? You know, like cut a bad guy in half, but doesn't move an inch, just flops him too.
There's only one way to find out. We have got to test this.
What's wrong with that guy? This classic movie trope is so common that it has its own name, delayed causality. So whether it's a zombie or a monster or some generic bad guy McBatterson gets hit with a blade with so much force that his body doesn't move until it slides apart. So, clink! Hold for dramatic pause. That's what I call a night at the movies.
To begin their decapitation deliberations, Brian and John have enlisted weapons-wielding expert R.J. McKeon. When it comes to swordplay, R.J. is a champion.
Oh, jeez.
He competes in and wins historical martial arts cutting competitions.
We're going to start with your sword all the way over your head.
All right.
And to help test this Hollywood tall tale, he has 3 key takeaways.
You're going to need proper extension of the arms, you're going to need speed, and you're going to need edge alignment.
It takes a while and a few cameras.
Did I get you? Are you okay?
Ooh!
This is almost perfect.
But before long,
Pretty good. A little tiny bit of wobble.
RJ's instruction has Brian
All right, what's next?
and John
Banana drop.
taking out bad dude food with one clean slice.
Here's my car. All right, pull it out.